The Manufacturing Site Audit plugin to ARCUS SIM allows users to record, manage and schedule manufacturing site audits, while providing a central repository for all supplier audit information. Automated alerts remind internal stakeholders or third-party auditors that a site audit is due. The detailed audit results can be entered and relevant documents attached. The result of the audit can be recorded, whether it is a pass, fail, or even pass with conditions. A corrective action plan can be recorded, and advanced workflow ensures all corrective actions are completed by the supplier. The Manufacturing Site Audit plugin to ARCUS SIM delivers supply-based confidence through a streamlined solution.